Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to convert a list of images to a video, but also add background audio to that particular video as well. So yeah, let's get started. This will be for native Android application with Kotlin. So here you can see, again ignore this. So here I'm mirroring my device. Firstly I'll show you my file explorer. Here I'm mirroring my device, so the output is little laggy, just bear with me. Here you can see there are only 3 videos. Once we pick an image, add an audio, convert it to a video, the video file will be stored to external storage as well, so the user can access it whenever he or she feels like. So I'll just click on pick image. I'll select few images. You can select one image or multiple image, it's up to you. I'll just select all these 3 images. Now I will click on pick audio. For audio I have allowing only one audio, but if you want you can allow multiple audios as well. I'll click on pick audio and I'll just have, I think I have it, audio. Okay, I think I'll have to go to my device, recordings, call, and here I'll just select this one. Then I'll just click on convert. Also inside logcat you can see the actual progress of how much conversion has happened. And once the conversion is finished, here you can see it is a 9-second long video, and it is also playing the audio. I mean you guys can't hear it, but just trust me on this. Now what if the audio file is smaller than our video file? Then we are just looping the audio. I'll show you that in a code, so don't worry about it. If the audio file is bigger, then the audio file will get cut. Here coming back to this actual one more thing which I wanted to show you is the video is saved inside our file explorer. So if I go back to my file explorer, here you can see the video has been saved, so the first video. Coming back to our logs, here you can see there are 2 things. So first, the value does not reach till 100. So this first, here I am displaying from again it starts from 0. I think some of the logs have been cut, but that's fine. But this first value, if you see, it goes to 0 at the very end. That is a indication that the conversion has happened. So if you are displaying a progress bar, you can stop displaying it even if this doesn't go till 100. Anyways, coming back to our code, I'm using XML layout. Feel free to use Jetpack Compose if you want to, and I have just added few dependency inside our build.gradle file. So first one is Media3 Exoplayer, next one is Media3 UI, next Media3 Common, then Media3 Transformer, and then Media3 Effect. If once you add it, just click on sync now, it will download all the dependencies for you. Then go to activity_main, and here I have just to show you the view as well. Here you can see I have just taken one button to pick an image, second button to pick the audio file, then the third one is for playing the actual video. So this is how it is, and last one, second last is to display the progress bar, and the last one is a convert button. So if I go to our main activity, firstly these are all the imports. So if you want, you can just copy paste all these imports which I have. So I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to copy paste the video. Pause the video and copy paste it. And now here I am marked as unstable because this was giving me an error. That's why I think by the time you watch it, you might even not need this. So here we are extending transformer.listener. So here I have created our exoplayer, player view, as well as progress bar. This is our file name, playback position is 0, play when ready is true. This is our transformer, this is our file path. This handler and progress holder are for tracking state. This is the mutable list of URIs. So if the user selects multiple images, we can store it over here. Audio, I'm selecting only one audio, but if you want, you can select multiple audios, just like we have done for video. Then here we create an edited media list item. This is for converting images to video, and this audio edited media list item is again for audio. Now ignore this. So firstly, once the pick audio button is called, then we just do new audio picker.launch and pass the MIME type to this. So this will call this particular thing, and here you will get the URL of the pick audio, and I'm just assigning to our audio URL. Similarly for pick image, here we just do new image picker and pick visual media by image only, and this will come over here. Once the user selects an image, we just add it to our list. So you can add multiple images. Similarly you can do for your audio as well, but again I have just picked only one audio. And once convert is called, we are just releasing our player if it is already playing some video, and then we just call transform video method. Then here we initialize our progress bar as well as our input player. Then here inside, this is how we initialize our input player. This is basic code like initialize exo player, play when ready is true, initialize our player, initialize our media item, then set it to our player, then seek 2 is 0, play when ready is true, and prepare our input player. This is code for releasing our player. So yeah, on stop we release our player. Now this is not really necessary because the mean HDK for me is anyways 24. If yours is less, then you might have to add that. On pause we pause our input player, on destroy we release our player. This is the code for transform video. So here we are displaying our progress bar. Here is our edited media list item which I'm clearing out. Also I'm clearing out audio edited media list item. Then we create our transformer. Then we just loop over all the image URIs, add it one by one as an edited media item dot builder to our list. And here you can see I'm setting the duration of each image as 3 seconds. You can change it to whatever you feel like and set the frame rate as well and just build it. Now for audio we just have only one audio URL. If you have a list, you can just loop it something like this, and in the end you just have it added to our audio media item list. Here we just add it to our edited media item list. Here you will have to add audio edited media item list. Then we just create a media item sequence out of it from both of them. So this is for video, this is for our audio, and here you can see I'm setting looping as true. So in case is the audio file less than the video file, then looping will happen for our audio file. Then here we do a composition dot builder, pass our media item sequence, background audio sequence, and then we create our external file, start our transformation as well. And here we just, this entire thing is for tracking the progress which I have shown you inside logcat. So this is the progress state and this is the actual progress. I have also added 500 milliseconds delay, not necessary but up to you. Then this is for creating the external file. Again I have just copy pasted this from Stack Overflow. Now this code is for saving the file to external storage. Again I have just copy pasted. I'm not really good at this, so yeah, feel free to pause the video and copy paste the code if you want. Then we were extending transformer.listener at the top, so we have to override on completed and on error. On completed we display our input player. Once the transformation is done, we save file to external storage, we get the URI, we initialize our input player, we resume it, and we hide our progress bar. On error we just hide input player and progress bar and just display a toast message. So yeah, that's it. I'll simply scroll through this file. Feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy the code. So yeah, if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.